sorry. Please don't hurt me. Ah! Oh! No! We got a lot of time. Oh! No, we fell like... Alright, though. It's... Can't suddenly, you know? Usually I can. Okay, with me, you know, we're gonna just... Ooh, okay. And we're just gonna... No! I... Oh! Oh! Ah! No! No! There we go. Okay, and we're just gonna do this. Oh! All right. You know, we were so close. We were actually so insanely close. You know. Oh! As one does. You know. I'm. You know. That's what I like to see. Oh, all right, we're back. Oh! Now you know. Ooh, pog. Okay. We were like this, and it was like this. No! No! I just want to make it past this part. Please. I beg. No! Ah! Ah! Yeah, I'm good. Don't worry. What am I supposed to... Oh! I don't know what it is. I don't know why can't I just make the jumps? Ah! We are not good at all. Oh, I made it. Okay. No! We were so close! Oh, man. I am livid right now. I am livid right now. The Ranboo MCC. The RCC. No! Oh! Wait, I made it! No! I thought that I didn't make it, so that's why I said no! But then I made it, and then Oh! That is completely okay with me, you know. That is not okay with me. I'm furious. I am so upset. Okay, we're good. Oh, okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. No! Please! Ah! Okay. Oh, man! What was that noise? What just came out of my mouth? I just want to be done with it. I just want to be done with it! The parkour more like paincore. Because I hate this game! I crave validation from Twitter. I'm so mad at this game. Okay. You know, okay. Oh, man. Oh! This is pain! I am in Spain without the S right now, you know? I am in a constant... What? This is it. All right, I see the light. I'm going. Yeah, okay, we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did not have fun doing